Go.
The doctor and the schoolmaster.
Show them in.
Madam.
You can sit on that couch.
Thank you. Mademoiselle Henderson, we don't wish to take up more of your precious time than necessary. Your husband must be growing patient.
Hobby. Oh, I've sent him back to Gassteig in his washing.
To Geiselgassteig?
Yes, my lawyers have already filed for a divorce.
Yes.
Oh, they're used to it. It's only my second short marriage. I need an audition with traffic queen. What brings you here?
We've come to discuss the ill affair.
Oh. Has he died?
Better, we're still loyal to our stone principles.
Well, then what do you want?
The Gilders have most regrettably acquired a number of new possessions.
A considerable number.
In debt.
Hopelessly.
In spite of your principles.
And now we have to pay our debts.
Well, you know what we have to do.
Mademoiselle Henderson, let's be frank with each other. Put yourself in our marital position. For 2 decades, I've been sowing the humanities tender seeds in this poverty-stricken population, and our doctor here for 2 decades has been trundling around curing its rickets. For the money? Why such element of sacrifice? For the money? Hardly our fee is minimal. Furthermore, I received and flatly rejected an offer from Karlstadt College, just as our doctor here refused a chair at Erlangen University. Out of pure love for our fellow beings. No, that would be saying too much. We and this entire little township with us have huddled all these endless years out of a single hope. The hope that Gilda would rise again in all its ancient grandeur.
Madam, we are not poor. We are forgotten. We need credits, confidence, contracts. Let our economy and culture boom. Girl has much to offer. The shops, the hotels, the tobacco factory. Buy them, revive them, and they'll produce a good return. Don't simply squander a million.
Well, I have 2 of those.
Don't condemn us to a lifelong struggle in vain. We haven't come very far. We've come to make a business proposition.
Really? As business goes, it couldn't be bad.
My dear lady, I knew you would give us the ledge.
Only it can't be done. I can't buy the tobacco factory because I own it already.
You own it?
And apartments?
Oh, the shops.
I own those too. The entire township, street by street and house by house. I had my agents line them around Shack lots and shopped every business down. Your host, well, Lucy, the perseverance, pointless. Your self-sacrifice, foolish. Your lives have been, useless waste.
What a monstrous thing.
What a monstrous thing.
You know, it was winter long ago when I left this little town in a schoolgirl sailor suit with long red lace. Pregnant with only a short while ago when the townsfolk sniggering at me. I sat in the Hamburg Express and shivered. But as I watched, dance. You have to love dancing. And you want to dance. And they are eligible who pay. And I'm paying. Good for a mother. A boon for a buddy. Come on, pair of you. Off we go.
What shall we do?